Look at you in the snow. She doesn't know what to do.
Like, I'm sitting, I'm cold. Let me inside.
Look at it. It's packing snow. You can make a snowball.
No, it is not really.
Well, Daddy's silly. Look at all that snow on the ground. That's a good 1/4 inch of snow at least. You think? Or you think it's more than a 1/4 inch?
I think it's more than an inch. At least.
You think so?
I think total is more than an inch.
Wow, it's a lot of snow. She's just sitting there like, I don't know what to do. She's trying to pick it up. You trying to pick up the snow? You trying to pick up the snow? Zoe? Zoe? Hi, baby. Hi, cutie. Okay, it's cold.
Yeah, it's good.